Being a YouTube creator may seem like easy, but keeping your audience engaged through your content is the real challenging task here. And to be a successful YouTuber, you need to keep the authenticity and consistency on your content, that whatever you are going to provide to your audience. Anyway, my name is Praveen, and in this video I'm going to share you 10 YouTube channel ideas that can help you if you are a beginner and planning to create a YouTube channel but confused which category you should work on. Then do watch this video, maybe this video could be helpful for you. So the first category is podcast, or we can say interview someone. Well, in the beginning it's hard to get in touch with famous creators, but you can start with your friends or your family members or someone you know personally and who is ready to shoot a podcast with you. This will really help you to make a fresh content on YouTube, plus it will also help you to grow your audience as well. So the second category that I would like to recommend you is to review a book. Okay, so if you love to read books and want to share your thoughts, then reviewing a book could be work for you like a charm. So if you know how to keep things intriguing and fun through whiteboard animations or whatever creativity you have, then you can start reviewing a book and build your audience. So our third category is from gaming. As we all know that gaming industry is one of the fastest growing industry right now, and many people have started streaming games online on YouTube. So if you are also a game lover, you love to play games, then you should start a YouTube channel where you can also stream games online and entertain your audience by adding some creativity while playing games. The reason why I am recommending you to start a gaming channel, most of the popular gaming YouTubers enjoy some of the highest YouTube analytics of all. So the fourth category that I would like to recommend you is gardening. If you love gardening, then you should definitely make content related to gardening, because this is one of the low competition niche that not many people are working on. So definitely it's a good chance for you to work on and grow your audience faster. So our next category is from traveling. If you love to travel, if you love to explore new places, then start making videos on traveling. Okay, because there's a massive audience on YouTube who loves to watch travel videos and to see new places, and this is one of the fastest growing community also right now on YouTube. And who knows, if you grab this opportunity today, you could be the next famous travel vlogger on YouTube. So talking about our sixth category comes from tutorial videos. See, if you know anything, let's say you know about Photoshop or video editing or coding, web designing, Excel, digital art, XYZ, anything if you know, and you can start making videos like teaching them people online through your videos. This is one of the best category that I personally like, because this is something that you are adding values to someone's life by helping them through your videos. So if you are master in anything, then definitely you should start making tutorial videos and help people to learn things. So our next category is reviewing a product or gadgets. So if you are a gadget geek, then you can start reviewing new gadgets that whatever comes in the market, or you can also start comparing two products like new smartphones, this smartphone versus this smartphone, or this laptop versus this laptop. This kind of videos you can also make by giving an honest review, because people used to come to hear your honest reviews, not the bullshit. So make sure to give an honest review, whatever you like on that product or not. Once you start making an honest reviews, you will get an engaging audience as well. And the best thing is that once your channel's analytics reach a decent level, you may be offered sponsorship opportunities from the brands as well. So our next category comes from science or fact. Now this type of channels also works like a jam on YouTube if your facts are real and intriguing. And I have seen so many YouTubers who used to make this kind of content, now they have reached to millions and they don't even show their face. So this is also the one of the best category that you can work for, and definitely your channel will also grow exponentially for sure. So our next category is opinion videos. Well, if you are a good speaker, then you can also start making opinion videos, and here you can pick up some trending topics and you can speak up on those things, right, and give your views on that subject. And I've personally seen growing this kind of channel super fast, so this could also be the best niche for you. Now the last category is parody or funny videos. And now, as we all know that humor is a very popular niche on YouTube that have a massive viral videos that are being shared widely. So if you have a good sense of humor that can bring smiles on someone's face, then yes, definitely you can try this as well.